everyone, today we will discuss the quick solutions of All India Akash Test Series JEE Main for first step students Test 7 Code C and D Mathematics, which was held on 3rd March 2019. So let us start with the question number 61, which says that if Z1, Z2, Z3 are complex numbers such that Z1 bar into Z2 plus Z3 and Z2 into Z3 bar lie on an imaginary axis. If modulus of Z1 is 1, modulus of Z2 is 2 and mod Z3 is 3, then the value of 3Z1 minus 2Z2 mod whole square plus 2Z2 minus 3Z3 mod whole square plus 3Z3 minus 2Z1 mod whole square is. Now, the first condition gives us that the complex number this and this have real part 0. So, we can say that Z1 bar into Z2 plus Z3 plus Z1 into Z2 bar plus Z3 bar is equal to 0. Similarly, we can say that Z2 Z3 bar plus Z2 bar into Z3 is equal to 0. These two conditions we get from the first line that have been given to us. Also, we have to find the value of modulus 3Z1 minus 2Z2 mod whole square plus mod of 2Z2 minus 3Z3 whole square plus mod of 3Z3 minus 2Z1 mod whole square is equal to. Now, we know that modulus of Z1 minus Z2 whole square can be equal to modulus of Z1 whole square plus modulus of Z2 whole square minus Z1 Z2 bar minus Z1 bar into Z2. So, in this manner, we will open all three squares. So, what will we get? 9 into mod Z1 whole square plus 4 into mod Z2 whole square minus 6 times Z1 Z2 bar minus 6 times Z1 bar into Z2 plus, similarly opening the second square, we will get 4 into mod Z2 whole square plus 9 into mod Z3 whole square minus 6 into Z2 Z3 bar minus 6 into Z2 bar into Z3. Similarly, we will get 9 into mod Z3 whole square plus 4 into mod Z1 whole square minus 6 into Z1 Z3 bar minus 6 into Z1 bar into Z3. Now, this can be written equal to 9 mod Z1 whole square plus 4. That will give me 13 into mod Z1 whole square plus, similarly adding these two, we will get 8 times mod Z2 whole square plus we will get 18 into mod Z3 whole square. Now, from the rest of the terms, let us firstly take Z1 bar common. So, we will get minus 6 Z2 from this one, and from here we will get minus 6 Z3. Similarly, taking Z1 common, we will get minus 6 into Z2 bar, and from here we will get minus 6 Z3 bar. So, the terms that are left are minus 6 taking common Z2 Z3 bar plus Z2 bar into Z3. Now, from equation 1 and 2, it can be observed that value of this will be equal to 0. Also, taking minus 6 common from this term and this term, we will see that these two will also get cancelled. So, we can write it equal to 13 into mod Z1 that have been given to us 1 plus 18 into 4 plus 18 into 9. So, the value of this will be equal to 207. So, the correct answer is option number 3. Let's now move to the next question, that is question number 62, which says that the coordinate axes are rotated by an angle theta about the origin in anti-clockwise direction. After rotation, the intercepts of the line x minus 2y equal to 3 on the new coordinate axes are equal. The value of tan theta is. Now, we know that in form of new coordinates, x and y can be written equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y can be written as x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now putting these values in the given equation, we will get x cos theta minus y sin theta minus 2 times y, that is x sin theta minus 2y cos theta is equal to 3. This is the equation of the line. Now it has been given to us that it makes equal intercepts, so we can say that coefficient of x will be equal to coefficient of y, that is cos theta minus 2 sin theta will be equal to minus sin theta minus 2 times cos theta. Solving this further, we will get 3 times cos theta is equal to sin theta, that is tan theta is equal to 3. Hence, we can say that the correct answer is option number 4. Next is question number 63, which says that number of integral values of x satisfying the inequations x square greater than equal to 2 into mod x and x upon x minus 2 is less than equal to minus 1 by x is. So let us solve both the inequations one by one. The first inequation, x square minus 2 times mod x greater than equal to 0. We know that x square is always positive, so we can also write it as mod x whole square minus 2 times mod x greater than equal to 0. That is, taking mod x common, we are left with mod x minus 2 greater than equal to 0. Now we know that this is always positive, so from here we get that mod x is greater than equal to 2. That is, x belongs from minus infinity to minus 2 closed union 2 to infinity. Also from here we get that mod x is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0. So here x equal to 0 is also the solution. So from here we get these solutions. Now let us solve the second inequation, that is x upon x minus 2 plus 1 upon x is less than equal to 0. Now we know that directly here we cannot do cross multiplication because we have to check the signs of the denominators given on both sides, right? So this is how we solve it. Now taking LCM, we will get x into x minus 2 x square plus x minus 2 less than equal to 0. Now this can further be written as x minus 1 into x plus 2 upon x into x minus 2 is less than equal to 0. Now let us draw the number line where the points are minus 2, 0, 1 and 2, right? Now the graph will be something like this. We have to find the points where the function is negative. Now here it can be checked that it is closed at x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 2 and open at 0 and 2 because they are lying in the denominator. Now we can see that the function will be negative here and here. So we can say that x will belong from minus 2 to 0 open union 1 to 2. So this is the solution that we get from the second inequation. Now to get the number of integral values, we have to take intersection of 1 and 2. Now intersection of these two will give us only one value, that is x equal to minus 2. So the solution of the given question is x equal to minus 2. So only one integral value is satisfying the given equations. So we can say that the correct answer is option number 2. Next is question number 64, which says that the length of the major axis of the ellipse 5x minus 15 whole square plus 5y plus 20 whole square equal to 3x minus 4y plus 2 whole square upon 9 is. Right. Now the given ellipse can be written as x minus 3 whole square dividing the whole equation by 25. We will get y plus 4 whole square is equal to 3x minus 4y plus 2 whole square upon 9 into 25. Taking under root on both sides, we will get under root of x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to modulus of 3x minus 4y plus 2 upon, we will get 3 into 5, right? Now, for ellipse, we know that, let us say this is the directrix and let us say this is any point P and this is the focus S. So we know that SP is equal to eccentricity into PM, where PM is the distance of point P from the directrix, right? So from here we can see that the focus of the given ellipse is 3, minus 4 and eccentricity is equal to 1 by 3 and directrix of the ellipse is 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0, right? Now we know that the distance between the directrix and focus is modulus of a by e minus ae, right? So this will be equal to distance of this focus from the directrix. So that will be equal to modulus of 9 plus 16 plus 2 upon 5. So this will be equal to 27 upon 5. Also on the left hand side, putting the value of E, we will get A upon E is 1 by 3, that is 3A minus A upon 3. This is equal to 27 upon 5. So further solving this, we will get 8A upon 3 equal to 27 by 5. So from here we can find the value of 2A equal to 81 upon 20, right? So the length of major axis is 2A, that is equal to 81 upon 20. So the correct answer is option number 3. Next is question number 65, which says that if P or R implying Q and negation R is false and Q and R are both true, then P is. Now we know that A implying B is false if A is true and B is false, right? So from here we get that P or R is true and Q and negation R is false, right? And it have been given to us that Q is true and R is also true. So this is given to us. So from here what we can find that P or true is true. That means that P can be anything, right? And from here what we get that Q is true, but this is given to be equal to false. So this means that negation R is false, which means that R is true. That is already given to us, right? But we get nothing about P from here, which means that P can either be true or false, right? So the correct answer is option number 3.